One of the most common questions we get is, what do we do with extra netting? So if you have a net and you want to end it against a building or a coop, what you're going to want to do is buy an extra fiberglass post, which we sell on our website and Amazon, most marketplaces. You're going to place it where you want your fence to end, step it on in, take your extra netting, the last post or however many posts you have, you're going to loop it around the outside, stick it in place here for a moment. And you're going to take the top strand, feed it into the channel on top of the fiberglass post, right here, just like such. And you're going to take the bottom strand and feed it into the clip that is on the bottom of the foot, like such. Take it, step it in where you want the fence to end, make sure it's tight. And you're going to want the foot to be pointed towards where your tension is coming from. So you step like that, and then you come back over here to your last post. You're going to pull it tight a little bit again, step it in. You're going to take the strand from the inside, you're going to feed it through the top of this extra post, the last post here, and then you're going to want to take the pigtail, which has a metal clip on it, you're going to feed this through the top strand of the net. Now the top strand has more conductors than the rest of the other strands, so that is the one you want to connect it to, and you're good to go.